Hello, I am here today to recommend a great locksmith company called Best Security Locksmith. They are a full-service locksmith servicing Bay Ridge, Brooklyn 24 hours. This company is a mobile locksmith providing many helpful services. They offer commercial and residential locks and installations and are a complete auto locksmith company. I personally guarantee this company as they are the chosen ones for all of my security work. Some of the security products they install are locks, cylinders, car keys, gates, window guards, doors, roll-down gates, 24-hour locksmith, emergency locksmith, buzzer systems, intercoms, security cameras, electric strikes, magnetic locks, push-button locks, and they can arrive to any emergency in 20 minutes or less. So if you are looking for a licensed locksmith in Bay Ridge, Brooklyn, then look no further as the Locksmith Company is highly recommended. There are many ways to reach Best Security Locksmith. First is by phone. Call 718-535-7665 or www.locksmithbrooklyn.org.